So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download graphic card motherboard driver. So first you come to www.gigabyte.com and you can see here the search button and just enter the model number which is you require driver of. Okay, and then hit enter. Then click to product and you can see this is then click support. Select your operating system which is your required driver. So first this is audio driver, you just click to download, it will start for downloading. You can see here it start downloading. Take wait some time. So guys, it is completed. Just this is Realtek audio driver, this is completed. Then double click to open because this is totally extract. When you click to launch, for firstly extracts to your system, then try to ready to install and then click to yes. So it will close automatically, means this is installed. Okay, this is installed and then close it. Chipset driver, you can see this is first one. Now always try to latest. Okay, click to download. Then guys, chipset is downloaded. Just open and double click to exe. And then click to yes. Now this is installations ready. So now this is closed, means this is installed. LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver. So guys, when you click to download now, you have to start downloading, and after download, this is your LAN driver. When you click to download, it will download this file. You just single click to double click. So first this is extract, and then yes. Now this is start downloading. C LAN driver. So guys, it will automatically close, means this is installed. VGA driver, Intel VGA driver. So just click to download. After download, it will show here. You can see 195. Just single click to open. Graphic card in VGA driver. Then double click to open. Then guys, click to yes. So this is installed, and then close it. Bluetooth driver. See, this is Bluetooth driver. Just click to download. It will take some time to download and then open. Then double click to exe. Then give to permissions for administrator for the installations. Now you can see this is start installations. Okay, and then this is installed. VLAN means, guys, WAN LAN means, guys, Wi-Fi driver. So you can see Wi-Fi. Click to download. Then it is downloaded. Just single click and open, double click to this extracted file. And then given to administrator access, for click on yes. Then now you can see Wi-Fi driver is installing. And then close it.